Welcome to Manipuri Guru channel. Before watching the tutorial on how to unblock context in Shark ID, please make sure to watch all the traveling videos of unblock, which is provided with subtitles in English. Thank you. Once again, welcome to Manipuri Guru channel. So friends, in order to unblock context in Shark ID application, we need to find out which contexts are in the block list of the application. So I have two block friends, but I need to unblock it immediately. So all we need to do is click on the contact and swipe to the right side of the application and click on the unblock button. Okay, so here, okay, so we have unblocked the context successfully, and we need to do the process for the rest of the context, block context. Okay, so friends, please make sure to download the application from the given link below in the description. It serves exactly as that of the Truecaller application, but from this application we can earn up to ₹11 per referral. We can earn unlimited amount of paytm money by referring to our beloved friends and family members. I have earned more than ₹90 from this application. So thank you friends, that's all for today's tutorial. Please make sure to download the application. Thank you.